Hey everyone, for Fairy Week, we're gonna make a cute little fairy garden and we're gonna start by making a house. So I'm gonna use a little milk jug just like this. And the fun part, like always, you can decorate it however you want. So I got a bunch of twigs for my backyard. I've got some twine, some toothpicks, some stickers. Honestly, don't know exactly how I'm going to decorate it just yet, but I thought I could get together a bunch of materials that I think will work. And then, of course, you're going to need an adult to help you cut into your fairy house so we can make a door and possibly a little window over here on the side. So that's where we're going to start. All right, adults, I'm going to use my box cutter. I'm going to cut a little door out. I'm just going to go right around the sticker so that I don't have to worry about peeling the sticker off. And then I'm also going to do my very best to cut out the circle around here. Also going to peel this off. Be right back. Okay, nailed that. Nailed that. Straight lines were definitely easier. Now get this off. Okay, time to decorate. And I've decided that I think I want to use this twine to outline my door. And then I'm also going to outline my window. So go ahead and grab some glue, which I forgot to mention in the beginning. You'll need glue. Again, hot glue would work. You know, it dries faster. But Elmer's glue is always good too. So, here we go. Glue on. Now, I'm gonna see how much yarn I need. I'm gonna cut it. Also forgot to tell you, we need scissors. Let's see. And I'm just gonna add it to the glue. Gently, gently. Now, especially when we're using Elmer's glue, liquid glue, regular old glue, it is actually good to let it dry for just a few seconds before you put the string on. Because if you just go in when it's fresh, it's gonna still be wet and it's gonna shift around a lot and you might get a little bit frustrated, right? So let it dry so that it's super sticky when you go to put your string on. And it won't move as much. It won't give you much of a hard time. I just did the sides and the top of the door because the way I cut the bottom of the door is pretty wonky. Not sure if I could get glue on there. And then the trick, patience. Patience, patience, patience. First try was the best. I tried to do the whole outline of the door in string in one fall swoop, and it was very hard to get that little curve in the door. So I think I'm going to do 3 separate pieces of string. Then they're just all straight lines. And remember, like I said, patience, patience, patience. Okay, done with the yarn, the twine for now. I'm going to go over to this side of my milk carton that doesn't have a window on it. And I think I want to use the twigs to just like make the side panel of the house. And kind of cool, I have a tree in my backyard that just drops all these tiny little perfectly sized twigs. I'm thinking I just want to go ham on the glue, put the glue everywhere, and then stick the twigs on. What do you think? do that. All right. Take my glue bottle and I'm gonna just do some zigzags up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And for good measure, let's do some side to side as well. Remember what I said? We're actually gonna let it dry for a second. Don't go in right away. Close your glue so that doesn't dry. And then get your twigs, get your whatever you're doing, whatever you're adding. Then you can start to slowly place them on. And remember, it's gonna dry a little bit, the glue, but you'll still be able to move things around. Don't worry about that. And again, just like the string, the sticks don't always lay perfectly flat down. So just kind of move it around, see what side of the stick works best, and just be patient. It's gonna take a while. I think I want a shorty to go down there. How's everybody doing out there? I think I want to add some more height. And I know this is a big guy, so I'm going to add some extra glue. The little ones are doing well with the glue I already had, I think. Add some extra for this big guy. Right, because I got some tall ones, I got some short ones over here. I wanted to add another tall one. And then I think I want another tall one right here towards the front. Okay, I'm happy with this, but I definitely want to let it dry some more before I start moving the milk jug around too much. So be right back. Drying, but I'm going to turn it around. You see how we're doing? Starting to look like a little fairy spot, right? I'm going to do the same thing over here. Glue, sticks. I'll have to find a lot more short ones, but maybe the toothpicks will help. So let's add the glue. We'll go side to side first. Side, 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 side. And then I want some, for sure, want a couple of tall sticks on this side to go around the window, but not on top. We'll do something else up there. Okay, let's let the glue dry just 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's put some toothpicks down there at the bottom. Let's see, how do they fit? Can you believe? Perfect. Perfect size. Just a couple. I don't want all toothpicks down here. Just to add a little texture, right? Change it up a bit. Now, these ones, let's see if I have any shorties in here. Not quite, but that's how easy that is. Snap them off and go ahead and place them right there. All right. How you guys doing out there? I think I'm liking this. These are really easy to just take a little off, stick it on, make sure it's the right size, what I'm looking for. Okay, happy with that. Gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna work some more in the front. Not completely dry, but I wanna move on. I'm just gonna be careful, and I just wanna fill in these gaps, you know, right here to the door, and right here to the door. Add a few more twigs to kind of finish off the look. For my last step, I'm gonna add the finishing touches, and I have these sparkly butterfly stickers that I think the fairies will really like. I'm just gonna go ahead and put those everywhere. All right, the house is done. Got a window, got a door, some butterflies, nice twigs. I'm gonna put a little kitten fairy in here. And time to move on to the next part of our fairy garden. Bye.